Today's objective, students will learn how to factor whole numbers using multiplication facts. Our math word for this lesson is factors. Factors are the numbers you multiply together to get another number. How can you use multiplication to find all the factors of a number? Let's look at this story problem. Austin has 8 action figures. He wants to arrange them in equal-sized groupings around his room. What are all the ways he can arrange his action figures? Austin needs to think of all the factors of 8. Austin can arrange all 8 figures into one group. So you have one group times 8 in a group equals 8. Or he could have 8 groups with 1 in each group, which we know is 8 groups times 1 in a group. We still have 8. So 1 and 8 are factors of 8 because when you multiply them, you get 8. So let's think of other numbers that you can multiply to get 8. I know that 4 times 2 is 8. So 4 and 2 are also factors of 8. Austin can have 4 equal groups with 2 in a group. He's still going to have his 8 action figures. Or he could flip it and do 2 equal groups with 4 in each group. So now let's write all the factors of 8. 1, 2, 4, and 8. Let's do one more. Let's have one more example. Let's choose 12. It says find all the factors of 12. I think of all the numbers that I can multiply to get 12. And because I know my multiplication facts, I can do it pretty quickly. I'm going to start with the easy one. 1 times 12 equals 12. I also know that 2 times 6 equals 12. And there's also 3 times 4 equals 12. I can't think of any more numbers that I can multiply together to get 12. So these would be all of my factors of 12. So let's just list them in order. We'll start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, whoops. I'll do that over, okay. 6,